What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review for the iPad Pro 11. This time we're looking at the Illuminated keyboard case from Inateck. Now, a little bit of background on this keyboard case. It's a full functioning keyboard. This is for the iPad Pro 11-inch. You got your on-off switch right here. You're going to charge through micro USB right here on the side. You can see that. Keys and everything feel really nice, really tactile. Not a whole lot of issues with that. Now let's talk about the actual case part for the iPad over here. So this is going to fit your iPad Pro 11. You got a pencil slot right here. You can actually drop your pencil in right over here like so. Has a little notch where you're going to be able to get it out really easy, really quickly. It actually has a stand right here where you can stand your pencil up like that. And it also has a slot over here so your pencil can be charged on the go. Now, you got 1, 2, 3 different places that you can store your pencil. Now, let's drop the iPad in and see what it looks like when we put it in. So this is what the iPad is going to look like on the inside of that case. This is in portrait mode. We're going to put it in landscape mode. But first, I want to test out the Apple charging, pencil charging capability is on deck. Works fine just like that, so you will be able to charge your pencil. Now this is what it's going to look like with your pencil on the outside. You have no protective covering on that though, so your pencil is going to be exposed. Now on the back of this case, you see you got nice little cutouts. What is this for? Fold that down. If you notice, you got 3 notches right here. So we're going to drop this. It is magnetic, so it's going to stick in one of those 3 notches to give you 3 different stand orientations when you're using this in your keyboard mode. In the box, you get this case and you get this USB charging cable. I'm going to put this to the side right now because I want to show you how it looks in keyboard mode. So stay tuned. But before we actually get it over in the keyboard mode, let me show you a little secret about this case and how dope it is. Okay, so keyboard is connected. What you do is you flip this over and look at these notches, one up here and one down here. What you're going to do is you're going to lay this flat. You're going to take this keyboard and you're going to pop that out. Okay. Now the keyboard is separate and you get a separate rubberized case over here. So now if you're reading, you get a reading mode just like this, nothing hindering you on the back. And if you want to stand it up and get you a good movie in, you're going to do it just like that. If I can get it to stay. There we go. Stand it up. You got 3 different, remember we talked about that, 3 different angles you can stand it up at. I'm going to prop it up just like that. And you get your entertainment mode just like that. Now, we're going to move on to that keyboard mode that we talked about earlier. But I will show you that in order to get this back in, you're just going to lay this back down flat. You're going to take your keyboard, flip it back upside down. You're going to slide one end in, just like so. Once you slide that in, you're going to take the other end and just pop it right down. It connects just like that. Simple, easy, extra convenient. So when you get ready to put it in your actual keyboard mode, this is what you're going to do. You're going to fold out your keyboard just like that. Now, you see this little groove right here. There's a groove right up top. iPad is going to fit right in that groove. Then you're going to reach back here. You're going to let that out. Let this part out. And stand it in any orientation that you like. I think that's a good orientation right there, or you can bring it up some. There we go. So, got that. Let's get it unlocked. It says my face is too far away. There we go. Got it unlocked. And there we go. We got it standing up. I'm going to turn it on, and if you notice, the keyboard is illuminated. So we do have a nice illuminated keyboard on here. Colors can be changed. And then all we do is sync it. Now, in order to sync this, I'm going to take this up just to show you how this works. Right here is your Bluetooth button. On, delete. Your Bluetooth button is going to be right there. So FN is going to operate your Bluetooth. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up so we can get a good demonstration of how it actually works on this tablet. Bluetooth is on. I'm going to hold down my FN and my Bluetooth. It is looking for it. It is searching. And there we go. Inateck. It is connected. Now, flip this back over. Gonna let the stands back out. Okay, we got it flipped up. Now let's test it and see how the keyboard actually works. Now this keyboard is actually magnetic. It's sticking to this table. So when you have it closed, it's gonna stay closed. It's not gonna open up and be flopping around. You're gonna get pretty much everything that you need done. So right here, we can dim our screen, brighten it back up. Search bar works perfect. Volume up, volume down. Let's see, what else can we do? Let's do some typing. So we got the search bar up. Google, enter, takes us to Google Photos, which I don't want to be on Google Photos. So there we go. Close back out. So keyboard does work, really responsive. Like I said, keys are really tactile. Not a whole lot of downside to this keyboard. Now I'm going to leave a link below so you can go pick up one of these. In my honest opinion, this is a really sturdy device. You're going to be able to get your Apple Pencil charging out here, although you have none of the protection that some of the other cases give you. It's still a pretty sturdy device. Your power button, let's make sure we got everything lined up. Our volume buttons and everything work good, nice and tactile. Everything is a go on that side. Power on and off. Sleep and wake, I'm sorry. That works good. Let's see if we got auto sleep wake functionality. Just want to make sure we get it all the way so we can get a good test out of it. Yep. So auto sleep wake is on deck with this case. I see absolutely nothing wrong with it. Like I said, it is magnetic. It's not going to be flopping around everywhere. The front hinges, everything closes really nice, and you're going to get a really good experience out of this tablet case. Nice and sturdy. It's going to protect against falls, but like I said, your pencil is going to be exposed. What I would do is probably, if I'm going to be carrying it around, I'm going to put my pencil in here just to protect it. And then when I get stationary and I need to charge my pencil, I'll take this out, undo my pencil, place it here for charging. So this has been a review of the Inateck keyboard case. I really like it. It's not that heavy. It does add a little bulk, but you got a keyboard in here. So you're going to have your keyboard. You're going to have everything that you need, and it's going to work. See, your speakers are nice and cut out right there. Everything looks good. All our buttons work. Speakers cut out. Camera's nice and robust back here. It's down in that recess, so you're not going to get that camera all busted up. So I hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.